topic for the video is QWeb Odoo reports. So this is my XML file, IR action report, name of the report, our model, report type, and school management. Yeah, this is our module. Binding type is report, and this is my XML for the report teacher. This is the template, QWeb teacher, and yes, this is the template for QWeb teacher report. We are calling here and call web external layout. So these are all the students. It's an image for each student, and this is how we are handling the image. This is the heading, teacher info, name, subject, and main subject. So this is our model, student with all the fields, teacher ID. These are many to many field, image, gender, yeah, and student report. And this is the table which will be displayed. This is table headings, and these are the table body. Let me show you. So yeah, this is teacher model, many to many, and the data will be displayed here only. Just roll number, name, standard, subject ID, and the current subtotal. By default it's 1. This is the footer, and report type PDF, then text muted. So this was my teacher report XML. Now this is the manifest. All these files are included here in the data. This is the UI, teachers, and yeah, these are the teachers. This is deep. Let's go to settings, technical. This technical will be displayed only when you are in the debug mode. Now in the reports, we'll search for our teacher_teacher. So this is the report type. Remove. This is school and student. These all three are the students, and this is the print button. Teachers. These all three are the teachers. This is the image which will be downloaded. And these are the students under Deep Sir. So let's select Shyam, let's save and print. So our PDF report has been downloaded with all the details, teacher info. Let me show you in the XML, teacher info, then the name, subject, gender, name, subject, gender, and then the student report. And then we have the table and also the image. Image is here. The same image we are getting, and this is the table Under table we have roll number, name, standard and subject, and T body is setting all the values inside the table, including total 3. There are 3 students.